Bienvenue les amis. Welcome friends. Welcome to the Travel Experience de Voyage channel. And in today's video, I'll be updating you on the status of my channel. I will start off by thanking everyone who has subscribed to my channel. You've found value in my work and decided to support me by subscribing. I have many plans for the future of my channel that are coming up shortly. I will briefly discuss the history of my channel. I started this channel as a means to document my epic adventure traveling across Canada in the summer of 2021 from Victoria, British Columbia, where I live, all the way to St. John's, Newfoundland, where I've never been to. That was an adventure of a lifetime with its ups and downs, and I wanted to share that experience with the world. Just that experience itself was worthy of creating a YouTube channel. From there, I started adding more content that fit into the adventure travel category. I have several playlists that separate my content into different categories. The Europe Trip 2018-2019 playlist is complete. That playlist is based on my travels to Europe in the winter of 2018 into 2019 and features photos and music. The Bucket List Adventures playlist is ongoing. That playlist is based on my bucket list adventures and features both point of view perspective and cinematic views with very little editing. The Cross Country Road Trip Shorts playlist is complete. That playlist is based on my cross country road trip in 2021 and features short videos filmed in point of view perspective. The Skyline series playlist is ongoing. That playlist is based on the skylines of different cities and features a cinematic view in 4K video. The European Adventure playlist is complete. That playlist is based on my travels throughout Europe in the summer of 2023 and features both short and long video content filmed in the point of view perspective, and some of the content is filmed in 4K video. The Ownership and Experience Reviews playlist is ongoing. That playlist is based on my unsponsored reviews on products, services, and experiences, and features initial and follow-up reviews. The Cross Country Road Trip Adventure playlist is ongoing. That playlist is based on my cross country road trip in the summer of 2021 and features photos with storytelling, narration, and my experiences. Unfortunately, I have lost so much content for that playlist that I am working to complete it with the best results possible. I create all of my content entirely on my own. I do not outsource any work, and I do not use any artificial intelligence or content from any other YouTube creator. I am not sponsored by any company, and everything that is filmed is real. For my future content, I have several outdoor excursions that I'll be filming quite soon that I'll be uploading to my Bucket List Adventures playlist. I also have an upcoming trip to a very special place dear to my heart in the fall that I will be uploading. I also have several products that I'll be reviewing and some of the products that I'll be providing a follow-up for. I work tirelessly to continue to provide quality content about my travels and share these experiences. I truly appreciate anyone who has subscribed to my channel, commented on my videos, and shared my videos with their network. I will end with, again, another thank you, as I am truly grateful for those who support me and enjoy my content. Thank you for sharing in my experience. If you enjoyed my video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would truly appreciate you sharing my video on your social network as it helps my channel grow. Be sure to check my playlist to see different categories on my exciting adventures I'm sharing with the world. Life is an adventure. Let's share this experience together.